Well, hello, welcome to Snowfall 2015. Here we are at Peterson Avenue at the Edens Expressway. The Edens is right there. These roads are relatively clean. I mean, for the most part, the plows have been here, as you can see. So the crews have been working, good for them. So it is passable, but there's not really much traffic out here right now at the Edens and Peterson Avenue. So we'll take a look up here to the bridge top and see what the expressway is looking like. See how this goes. I pushed out last big snowstorm. Southbound to 94 southbound of the city. Well, here we are at the top of the Edens Expressway at Peterson, where again the roads up here on the bridge is fairly clean thanks to the CDOT crews out here plowing from time to time. But look at that wind. I mean, look at that right behind that break point of that wall off the freeway where it's open air. Here's the crew working right now. Throwing some salt down. He's not really plowing right there, but he was tossing some salt. He's got to clean that ramp up down there though, because boy, if you're going to try and get on that ramp, that's a problem. Let's take a look at the Eden and see how much traffic we got out here. I could step in the snow. That wind is blowing northeast. Southbound. And you see traffic is moving slow and not much of it. But boy, that wind is howling. I can tell you that. Oh yeah, definitely blowing up here. So yes, here live at the top of the Edens Expressway, your friend, your weather friend, Victor Linton, live here from Edgebrook in the Chicago neighborhood. Edens Expressway at Peterson. Good view of how hard this wind is blowing up here. The wind's in my back. That wind hits you in the face. Well dressed and I'm warm, not really cold. But on the bare skin, boy, you better have your face covered up or something if you're going to be walking on that. So, yeah.